So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Pepe coin. Okay, because this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. This meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. Because right now, everywhere this meme coin is trending here. And today, MEX exchange is also listed this meme coin. Okay, so that's the big achievement for this meme coin. Within just 8 days, this meme coin is now listing to many centralized exchanges. Okay, already this meme coin is listed on Get.io, Bitmart, CoinX, CoinW, Bank, and right now MEX is also listing this meme coin. So that's amazing. Coin is working on Ethereum chain, and this meme coin can be the next Pepe coin. Because if you wanna search these videos on YouTube right now, okay, you will find many videos about this meme coin. Every YouTuber is making videos about this meme coin. So this is the reason. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. And just 8 days ago this meme coin was launched, so very newly launched meme coin and very undervalued meme coin. Okay, you can see Pipe Snam and 620 number market cap ranking here. Coin is jumped by almost 20% here. Coin is currently 6 zeros in its price. Okay, current market cap is $56 million, so market cap is good. Okay, but because in just 8 days $56 million market cap is awesome. $16.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours, so that's crazy. 420 trillion coin supply all in circulation, so that's awesome. There are no more token to come in circulation in future. That's awesome. Coin is working on Ethereum blockchain, so that's good. Okay, you can see within just 8 days coin is again 13,800 holders. Okay, more than 13,800 holders, so that's awesome. Number of holders good. Okay, and we are here, you can see 50% down than the soul time high there was 5 days ago, and 70% up than the soul time low. Okay, that was just 8 days ago, so that's good. Okay, coin is still in buying range here. Okay, not too much pump here. Okay, because still crypto market is not performing well. Okay, still BTC is going dump here. Okay, so that's good chance for us to we can get entry in this meme coin here. Okay, you can also check out the exchanges. These are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed, and as I already told you, this meme coin is going to list on MEX exchange today, so that's awesome. After MEX exchange listing, maybe we can see Bybit, okay, or maybe KuCoin, maybe crypto.com, or any other major exchange can also list this coin. Because right now this meme coin is searching on everywhere, trending here. Okay, so that's the reason. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. I will also show you his website here. Okay, website is looking awesome. Okay, you can see Pepe the Frog address on Mapfree, famous Pepe the Frog. So that's good. You can also buy this meme coin on their website also. You can check out the charts, so you can see his full details here. Okay, so this is the centralized exchanges where you can swap this meme coin. There's no any buying selling tax for this meme coin. Okay, zero tax, that's good. Okay, and here you can see its total supply is also mentioned here, that is 420 trillion coins. Okay, so that's good. And all in circulation. Phase 1, phase 2 roadmaps are also provided here. Okay, already listed in CoinGecko and Coin Market Cap. And holders are right now, as I already showed you, 13,000 plus holders, so that's good. Maybe we can see holders soon to maybe 20,000 or maybe 30,000 here, because coin is perform amazing here. And right now centralized exchanges are also listing this coin, so that's amazing. And friends, my price prediction about market cap is that, because this is a Chinese narrative meme coin, so maybe we can see its market cap up to $10 billion here. Because friends, still we are not officially entered in bull run. Okay, so when bull run will be started, and so then definitely all meme coin will start pumping here, then definitely this meme coin can gain the huge market cap here. Okay, still its major listings are left here, so when it will be listed on major exchanges, major centralized exchanges, then definitely its market cap can be increased here. That can goes in $1 billion here also. Okay, maybe we can see its market cap up to $6 billion or maybe $10 billion here. And still this meme coin has potential to do maybe 100x or maybe 1000x here. Maybe this meme coin can kill still three zeros here. Okay, it's possible that we can see this meme coin to kill three zeros here. Okay, this is my personal price prediction about meme coin. What's your price prediction about meme coin? You can must comment down below. Do you think this meme coin can kill three zeros and gain the market cap of $10 billion in this coming mega bullion here or not? You can must comment down below.